we're moving into the second Yama, which is called Satya. And Satya is truth, but honest truth. Truth beyond our judgments, beyond our expectations, beyond our perceptions. The supreme eternal truth. You are looking at Satya as a practice, and when you're engaging it with other people, you want to tell people the truth without hurting them. There's a sensitivity to it. Again, we're bringing the ahimsa concept into Satya as well with this sensitivity. So we want to tell the truth to people, but we want to do it in a way where it doesn't hurt them or ourselves. So oftentimes what we want to be doing when we're thinking of the truth is we want to see it as a concept that is beyond our judgment, beyond our perception, beyond our desires. And when you're practicing this, practicing Satya also is kind of checking yourself, like being honest to yourself of when you're actually beyond your thoughts, perceptions, emotions, your personality. So there's the concept of being honest with myself, that my consciousness and my practice in this moment is beyond my own thought, my own personality, my own emotions. And then there's the actual practice of it, of displaying that and giving that to other people, giving other people that space. Also providing a healing to other people. Sometimes people may not want to hear what you have to say, but it may be something that they need to hear. And if you can apply Satya, then you can find a sensitive, nice, calming, peaceful way to maybe share the truth with someone. And if you and the other person are both able to look beyond your own judgments, your own perceptions, and your own expectations, then hopefully we find that you are sharing from a place of love from your heart and not your mind. Therefore, the person can receive with love and grow with love. And this is one of the goals of Bhakti evolution. And this is the second part of the Yamas, which is the first part of yoga. Blessings, love, and light. And I'll see you when we step into the third part of the Yamas.